Place the next 3 blocks. Multiple blocks can be placed by dragging. All right, so it's got that scrap mechanic dragging feel. All right, cool. Open the door. People, the crate is too big for the door. Why would you give me a crate that's too big for the door? All right, come on, you can do this, ScrapMan. You can do this. No, that's the ceiling. That's the ceiling. No, the roll is going out of control again. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is ScrapMan bringing you an episode of Stormworks Build and Rescue. Now, this is a game I've been super excited about for a long time now, and I'm finally getting my first chance to play it. Basically, it's a creative building game, but it's not just about building. You also gotta build stuff that can perform tasks like searching and rescuing in an ocean environment. So I'm really curious to see how this is gonna go. Now, this is an alpha version right now, so I'm sure there's gonna be bugs and stuff. I hope some of them are at least some funny bugs that we might encounter. You know me, I like to break the games accidentally on purpose, but just to create some entertaining moments. We're gonna go and create a new game here, and it looks like we have creative and career. So we might try a little bit of both just to get a taste of it in this episode, but I'm gonna start with creative just so I can get a feel for like how things work a little bit, and maybe I'll be a little bit more equipped for the career mode. Now, I was gonna do a little bit of this before recording, but when I got into it, it seems like there's a little bit of tutorial, and I wanted you guys to see what it tells me to do, and as you can see, my first reactions to it. So we have to fix our boat. Apparently our boat was damaged in a recent storm, so we'll need to use a workbench to fix it. So let's see, here we go here. We got some inches. Ooh, is this our boat? Is this our boat that we have to fix? Workbench is 35 meters that way. But let's see what we got. We can sleep. We can pick up. Oh, I picked up a bottle. How do I drop it? Oh, there we go. Why would I need a bottle? What do we need a bottle for? Pick up? What is this? What is this? It's a trash can? Looks like a trash can. I think it's a trash receptacle. What's this? Pot. All right, book. All right, so we could just pick things up. All right, I'm gonna take this with me. Can I open the door when I pick it up? Oh, is that a light? Can I? Aha! You're not a very good light. It's a very dim light. All right, enough messing around in here. Let's go out. Oh, the door opens inwards. That's weird. Okay, so this is our home, I think. Look, what is it? It's built into the rock. We got a huge anchor out here too. How do I get rid of that? Whoa, we can zoom. Oh, what's that over there? So there's like islands and stuff. There's like it looks like a barge out there or something. I don't know, like one of those oil drilled the site things. Can we jump? Yep, we can jump. Oh, I almost jumped off the cliff. Looks like we got. Oh, is this our garage? I think this is our garage down there. So we probably have to go down there to the workbench, which I guess is at the garage. So let's head down. We got some stairs over here. This is a big, I guess this should be a big garage, considering probably gonna have to build like helicopters and like other things, but I guess our first objective is a boat. So let's check out our workbench. Workbench, create a whoa, okay. All right, here we are. This is the vehicle editor. This is my first time seeing it. We can rotate the camera around in the vehicle editor by holding the right mouse button. Okay, pretty standard. Place a block in the highlighted space. Mouse over an adjacent component to choose what to connect the block to, then click place. All right, so we're gonna place our first block. People ready? Nailed it. Oh, we gotta do it again. And all right, place the next 3 blocks. Multiple blocks can be placed by dragging. All right, so it's got that scrap mechanic dragging feel. All right, cool. Click on the wedge block in the component list to start building with it. All right, so it looks like we have different parts down here. What do we actually have? We have block. We have a weight block. It has an increased mass. They have a larger impact on the vehicle's center of mass. Interesting. So that's center of mass is gonna probably be a big deal. I wonder what the water physics is like. We never really had, we don't really have water physics in scrap mechanic, and there's some interesting water physics in trail makers, so it'll be interesting to compare that. All right, so wedge, basic wedge shape. So let's go ahead and click on that. I guess we can put the wedge right there. Whoa. Oh, interesting. You can change the component's rotation by hovering over different adjacent surfaces. Oh, so it automatically changes its orientation depending on which angle you have it, which surface you have it on. See, look at that. That's actually kind of cool. All right, so we're going to place this one right there. Oh, and we can also drag wedges. All right, that's cool. All right, click on the pyramid block. We need a pyramid block now. Oh, sweet. We got a pyramid as well. Oh, we can also use the following keys to rotate and flip the component. J, K, L, U, I, O. All right, and we're going to go ahead and Place this one right there. Now what do we gotta do? Click on the logic button. There's a logic button to enter the logic connecting mode. So this might be a little bit of a learning curve here. So let's see. First, connect the button in the front seat to the engine's on-off node. This will allow you to switch the engine on by pressing the button. Click on one of the flashing logic nodes to select it and drag to release. All right, so if we drag the engine to the seat, I guess, or is that like a control panel? Next, connect the W and S keys node from the seat. Oh, interesting. So this little node right here is for your W and S keys. So if we select that and drag it over to the throttle, then our W and S keys will control the throttle. So what is this? A and D keys. So, oh, interesting. So we have multiple connections that apply to different key bindings. So that's kind of cool. Oh, so this goes to the rudder. Okay, so A and D for the rudder. And I think we got to do it again to the other rudder, right? Ooh, I like this. Finally, connect the power out node from the engine to the propeller's power input. All right, so now the engine has to go to the propellers. So it kind of walked me through that a lot. It's probably going to be a little bit more difficult without a walkthrough, but hopefully I can remember how to do this. Now we have to save it to have our boat. Click on the large plus button to create a new file. Scrap boat. Our boat is ready to go. Click the spawn button. All right, here we go. I have a new mission. Press N to bring up the mission. I thought this was creative mode. Why do we have missions? Deliver a supply crate to the hospital without delay. All right, maybe I shouldn't delay. Is it over here? Oh, here's our little boat. What happens if we jump on the water? We float. That's good. Oh, we can use a ladder. Look at that, ladders. All right, so now we got to enter the pilot seat. All right, we have a new mission. Press N to bring up the mission menu for more information. What's our mission here? Deliver a supply crate to the hospital without delay. All right, that's... What if I click on it? I have 2 hours to do it. All right, so it is now the active mission. We have to press E when looking at a crate to pick it up. Wait, do I have to pick up a crate? Oh, I gotta get out of here. Hold on a sec. The crate is up there. Oh no. I got in the boat too soon. Get up the ladder. Get up the ladder. All right, pick up the crate. Are we gonna put our, how do we put our crate in the boat? Do we have to jump off with it? Oh, press E. Hold and release to throw. Place the crate. All right, so hold. That was not good throwing. What if I jump in my boat and then can I pick up the crate? Okay, good. Place the crate. Oh no, I'm sinking the boat. What if I hold it up here and drop it? There we go. Okay, so the crate is actually a free-floating object. Press tab to enter third-person view. Okay. All right, I think we're good. Oh, so we actually have to turn the engine on and off. So the engine is now on. Now we can use WASD to drive to the location. All right, waypoint is 800 meters away, and we are off. Look at that. Look at the crate. The crate is in our little boat there. All right, you can see our rudders working in the back. Man, I don't know how it's going to be to build something like this from scratch. This actually looks like there's a lot more going into it than you'd expect. But I think the crate might actually be weighing us down a little bit. Look at how the back is definitely weighed down a little bit more. Also, it could be the engines though. Well, it looks like we just got some driving to do. So why don't we go ahead and cut to when we get there? All right, we are approaching the dock. Now I actually probably have to park myself like in a good way to make myself able to get oh, no, there's a ladder on this side. So let's go over here just in case. All right, driving. Oh, there goes the box. All right, so the box is definitely not secured in here. I'm having more... You know, I'm just going to go on this side anyway. You know, so that's the thing about using rudders is you have to be going in order to turn. Come on. Come on, get to... Is there damage physics? I don't know if there's damage physics in this or not. You know, I'm happy with this right... Oh, I'm not happy with this anymore. I'm happy... All right, now I'm happy with this location right here. Let's get out. Press E to pick up the crate. I'm just going to throw it over there for now. No. Okay, good. We made it. I think we made it. Come on, no. Of course, I didn't make it onto the thing. All right, up the ladder. All right, we have the crate. This is cool. I wasn't sure if it was going to be a purely vehicle-based game where you have to be in your vehicle. Like, when you build it, you're in the vehicle. Or if you were actually going to have, like, a walking aspect to it as well. Oh, we have to carry it all the way over there? We need a ground-based vehicle. Press E to place the crate in a drop zone. Is there any way for me to carry this without it being in my face the whole time? I'm just running. with a crate in my face. Might run into something and fall. All right, it's a hospital. Oh, we're going into... Wait. How do we get... Can this crate not fit through the door? Open the door. People, the crate is too big for the door. Why would you give me a crate that's too big for the door? Wait, there must be somewhere around back. Ah, okay. All right, there we go. Here we go. Drop off. All right, completed. Deliver hospital supplies. Go to my base of operations. Oh, now I have to... Oh, wait. Is that a different spot? Do I have a map? I do have a map. I am here. My vehicle is there. I am facing this direction. Oh, have we not discovered some of the map yet? Because... Wait. Yeah, so I'm facing in this direction, and there's nothing over here. Oh, there we go. Oh, let's zoom out. I think we're going to go to a new area. So I think we came from here, and I think we have to go over to here. So that's interesting. We're actually going to be going to a new location. This is exciting. All right, so creative mode has a lot more direction. Maybe it's just because it's my first time doing the game. But creative mode, I wasn't expecting there to be such an in-depth like tutorial on how to actually do missions. It almost feels like a career mode intro, which I'm happy for because I would have had no idea how to hook that logic stuff up if it wasn't for the intro. But we have our boat here. Let's hop in and drive off to our base, apparently. We have a base. All right, here we are. I feel like our boat is not quite the right size for this docking area. Imagine building something that actually fits perfectly in this area. That would be insane. All right, let's get out of here. Let's go up these stairs. All right, I know I'm going to the base of operations. You don't have to worry. You don't have to. I've noted the objective here for a while back now. You don't have to keep showing it to me. Ooh, buttons. It worked. We're closing the door to the hangar. Are we gonna have to build a flying vehicle? Are we gonna have a flying vehicle next? Maybe we should not have closed that though. Let's go ahead and open it back up. Let's go ahead and open it. Open door. Oh, apparently only the red one opens and closes the door. Good to know. Here's our new base. What's this? We got a little office in here. We got books. Let's go ahead and put these where they belong. Can we pick up the chair? Oh, we can't pick up the chair. I'll just put that right there. Nope, sorry. There we go. We got pan. The pan up there. Can we open the microwave? Oh, we can't open the microwave. What about the... Nope, can't open that either. All right, I think we've done a good job of this room here. Let's go explore the other rooms. Can't pick up the plant. Oh, what's this? Oh, we can't press it. Oh, light. Oh, we got a nice view of the runway. I don't know. Is it a runway? I guess it could be a runway. We got a deck. Wait, which way do we have to go? There's like 3 different ways to go in here. Oh, here's where we can sleep. I don't want to sleep yet, I don't think. Ah, I was not expecting to pick that up. I totally thought I was going to turn it on, but that works too. What about these lockers? Can we use the lockers? What's this? What is that? Why is there a polygon thing? Oh, well. All right, are these the stairs I'm supposed to use? Got a notebook. Got a computer chair. This one's a little bit harder to pick up. Cup. Trash. Lamp. Headphones. Oh, we got a communicate. This is a communication tower, obviously. But where is my objective marker? Oh, apparently the bed was my objective. I didn't realize that. All right, sleep. Congratulations, we've successfully completed the Stormworks tutorial. To start your adventure, press the wake up button. So I guess we can press the wake up button. And are we just on our own now? It's kind of scary. It is a little bit scary. I guess all we have to do is try to build something. I mean, I have a basic idea of how to do it. Is there a workbench in here? Oh, here we go. Here's the workbench. Look how big this place is. All right, so create a vehicle. Oh, wow. We are just starting from scratch here. What do we want to build? I don't even know how. What are our parts? All right, let's take a look at, we'll explore the menus. We'll explore the parts. We have pyramids. We have ladders. We have windows, stairs, and more windows. Let's see, vehicle control. So we have a rudder. Oh boy. Pilot seat. Look at all those different logic stuff. I'm not entirely positive how everything works yet. What is this? Gyro. Oh, we can use a gyro. Wait, we have a fin rudder, and then we have a rudder. What's the difference between these two rudders? Fin rudder can be attached to the keel of a boat. What's the keel? I don't know all these terminologies. So it controls the yaw, allowing you to steer left and right, and this controls the yaw, allowing you to steer left and right. I guess one is just on the underside and one's on the back. Is the back the keel? All right, we have a wheel, so it's a free spinning wheel. We have a medium wheel, and we have a small wheel. All right, so that's all of the vehicle things. What about, oh, mechanics. Oh man, a toggle button, a button that toggles sending on and off signal. We have artificial horizon, shows the orientation of your vehicle with respect to the horizon line. Oh, so it's kind of like just like a feedback gauge to get your orientation right. A push button, a hinge connector, a small magnetic connector that can be used to attach two or more vehicles together. Oh, so this is like a decoupler thing, like where you can have things attached and then you can remove them by removing. It's like a magnetic thing. That's cool. What is this? Large connector, a magnetic connector that can be used to attach two or more vehicles together. Same thing, but apparently it's just larger. That's cool. They're magnetic too. Oh, interesting. So the hinge connector allows it to rotate around the hinge point, but this actually allows you to send power from one vehicle to the other. So you can actually hook up inputs and outputs. And the small connector is just a static connector, it seems like. A dial with a rotating needle, any value, blah, 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 blah. So it looks like this is like rather than a button that's just on off, this one has a spectrum of values that you can use for a dial. Digital display. All right. Sliding door. Oh, cool. A handle. So this is apparently, oh, we used to drag heavy vehicles around. Oh, wow. We have so many, what are these called? Interactive parts? We have mechanical parts. A sliding hatch. Indicator lights. A linear track base. A slider that moves on a modular linear track. A pneumatic piston. Linear track extension. A basic pivot that can move freely. That's kind of cool. A robotic hinge. A powered robotic hinge that will orient towards the input value within its range of motion. Man, there are so many things here that I am gonna have no idea how to use until I just try it. Suspension, okay, that's pretty standard. Velocity pivot, a pivot that continuously rotate at a set input speed. All right, so I think that's it for those parts. Let's see, what do we have? Propulsion. So we have an engine, basic engine. We have a propeller. We have a diesel engine. Wow, okay, so the engine goes from 30, oh no, the engine goes up to 20,000. The diesel engine goes up to 200,000 power, so that's a huge difference. A rotor, so we have a helicopter rotor, a huge rotor and a large rotor, and a tail rotor. So huge and large, those are the sizes that they decided to go with. Not small and large, or like small and big, but huge and large. So this is a force of 100,000, and this is a force of 20,000, and we have a tail rotor as well. So we're actually going to have to take in like the tail rotor stuff into account if we build a helicopter. Turbine engine. Oh, that could be for like planes and stuff. All right, now what else do we have? Specialist equipment. What is specialist equipment? A landing float, a buoyant float for attaching to helicopters to allow them to, oh, landing on the ocean. A railing segment corner. Okay, these are definitely like, oh, okay. So these are like different railings to have around the outside of your vehicle if you have any walkable areas so you don't want to fall off. Searchlight, we have a spotlight, a basic light, and a winch. Oh, winches could be fun. And then we have logic gates. Oh, this is where stuff gets complicated. This is where stuff gets outside of my comfort zone. Okay, so then we have our basic gates. We have an AND gate, a blinker. A blinker is new to me. An on signal. Wow, there's some stuff here like that. This is some logic stuff that I don't see in Scrap Mechanic, at least not just standard. Like maybe you can make it with a combination of logic gates, but here's a NOT gate, the OR, the XOR, add takes two number inputs, adds them together, and outputs the result. Okay, whoa, look at all these logic gates. Clamp. All right, this stuff is way over my head now. Numerical switch box, a threshold gate, like, wow. All right, why don't we just try to build a helicopter? How about that? Yeah, the logic gate stuff is a little bit scary. All right, how do we even start to build a helicopter? I don't really even know. Well, how about I just start by putting a block down? Oh, okay, I just put a block down. Oh, okay, all right, here we go. Now I'm starting to get a feel. Oh, interesting. I can even drag through another set of blocks. Shift to change drag plane. Oh, okay. Interesting. All right, so let's start off. Let's just build a basic base first. I'm going to drag this over like that. So we have a center of mass right there. So now let's get a seat for vehicle control. Pilot seat. We're just going to go ahead and place the pilot seat. Can we place it right in the center? Oh, no, we're going to have to change. We're going to have to change some things. All right, we're just going to start off super simple and build. I'm going to try to just build a helicopter. And it's probably not going to work whatsoever, especially with all these logic gates. I'm not entirely sure how to hook that stuff up, but we'll try to figure it out and see what happens. And if it doesn't work, then we'll go into career mode and hopefully they'll guide me a little bit more through it. So let's just see what happens in creative mode first. So let's start off with this. Oh, we could put a seat on the edge of that seat. All right, let's go to, we have windows over here. We have a large angled window. How does this work? All right, I'm gonna do a little bit of a shortcut and I'm just gonna add this beam right in the, right in the middle here. And we're gonna put a propeller right on top of this thing. So let's go to, I think, mechanics. No, propulsion. We're gonna go for, so we don't want a huge, let's do large. Let's not do something too big. We'll put that right there. All right, yeah, that's the front of the vehicle. Okay, it's starting to look like something. It's starting to look like something. So now what do we need? We're gonna need a tail rotor and we're going to need an engine, I guess. Okay, this is looking a little bit weird. I don't know how to make the windows, like, I don't know if I can angle the windows the way that I want them to be. Let's see, can I put angle blocks like going up in here? If I do it like this, and then can I angle them with the window? Let's find out. There. Okay, yeah, that's working with the window. This works. All right, there we go. Ah, okay, so now I can actually, I see what I'm doing now. It's starting to make a little bit more sense as I use it. It's just, I'm so used to other building mechanics that it takes a little bit of time to get used to a new one. So now I should be able to drag this over. Like that. There we go. I'll drag this over. Yeah, and then this whole wall now doesn't need to be here. We can move the entire wall in. I'm struggling enough with just the shape of this thing. Imagine when we actually start trying to get the mechanics to work. And I think I can lower that rotor now. All right, we've got the front now. The front is settled. So now we just need to have a tail. It's going to take a little bit of molding to get our tail back here. So how long should we have it? I guess let's go like this long. I'm actually tempted to like just put the tail rotor right here and call it done and see if we can hook it up. I don't even know what direction it's going to be spinning in. It looks like it should be spinning clockwise, which means that the helicopter would be spinning counterclockwise, which means that the tail would need the tail rotor on this side. Whoop, symmetry mode doesn't work with that. All right, there we go. So now we have our tail rotor. There we go. So now we should be able to land on the water, right? So now let's go, this is the part I'm a little bit concerned about here. So we want the seats to be attached. By pressing the 1 key, we'll turn the engine on and off. Now we have, what is this? We have pitch and roll and power. So I guess we attach the power to there, and we should also attach the power from the engine to there. All right, so now the seat gives us 4 different control modes. We have W and S. We have A and D, W and S. We have up, down, and left and right. All right, so I guess pitch we're just gonna have as W and S. But the weird thing is how do we do the power? Oh wait, throttle. I guess we can have up and down go to throttle. All right, I'm gonna do A and D is gonna go to yaw. I guess up and down is gonna, no, left and right is going to go to roll. I have no idea how this thing is gonna work. And I just realized I probably can't even get inside of this thing yet. I don't even know how to get inside of this thing. We don't have a door. We have no door. Oh, we can go in the back. All right, you know what? Let's just, I'm gonna save this. I don't know why this is gonna be so bad. This is gonna be so bad, people. Scrap heli. There we go. And then how do we spawn it in? Spawn. Oh, there it is. There's the derpy thing. Wait, we're inside. How are we supposed to bring this thing outside of here? All right, so now we can just get in the seat from here. All right, so let's go to third person. 1 should be power. We got power. All right, so I think, wait, so here's the, how do I, This is not... All right, we've made it outside of the garage. Success there. So let's go ahead and hit that. How do we... V, return to workbench. Okay. All right, what did we hook up? How did we do this? Up and down is hooked up. Oh. Okay, so I hooked up and down to the engine, and the engine and throttle is hooked up to the power of each of these things. Let's not hook up the tail rotor to the engine just yet. Let's see what happens if we just have the main rotor. And I just want to see, can we get off the ground if we increase the throttle? All right, so I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to increase the throttle. All right, we definitely have some center of weight issues. So now let's take our weight block. Now we got to take this weight block. We're just going to add a bunch of weight back here. I don't know how heavy these blocks are. Does it say? Increased mass 10, mass 1. All right, here we go. Oh, yes. We're in the air, people. We're in the air, and we're not in the air anymore. Is there a way to reset my vehicle? R, repair. Nope. I guess I just got to do that. Go back to the workshop. Press V. Wait, why isn't V working? I can't go back to the workshop anymore. Oh, that's me. Look at me. That's me. That's what I look like. Why can't I go back to the workshop? Oh, I got to press it on my vehicle. Okay. Didn't know that before. And this time, let's try to use our pitch. So W and S should be pitch once we are up in the air. All right, so here we go. Engine on, up in the air, and we're gonna pitch for. Oh, pitching forward happens a lot quicker than I thought it did. Okay, all right. Pitch forward. Nope. Okay. All right. Come on. Wow, that is really fast. All right, if I go backwards, I should be able to get myself off the ground. I think I've determined that there are no destruction physics. Oh, did we? Nope, we're not nailing it. We are not nailing it. We almost got it. Oh, look how fast the roll goes. Why does it go so fast? Where are we? All right, we're not quite floating. Whoop. No, stop it. Stop it. Can I go back to the workshop now, please? Oh, I hopped out of my vehicle. Where is it? Where am I? There it is. V. I'm stuck. Ooh, what is this? I have emotes. Crash and burn, facepalm, you're going down, point, salute. I'm stuck inside my vehicle. Did you see that? You're going down. Crash and burn. Crash and burn. I think I literally got stuck in my vehicle, people. Oh, what if I go to map and I fast travel to here? Yes. Is my helicopter with me? No, I see it over there. Can I spawn in the helicopter again? Load. Autosave. All right, is this the one that has the correct center of mass? I think it is. All right, let's be a lot more gentle this time and see what happens. Go up. Okay. All right. Oh, no. All right, come on. You can do this, ScrapMan. You can do this. No, that's the ceiling. That's the ceiling. No, the roll is going out of control again. All right, we're going to pitch ourselves forward a little bit. Oh, gentle. Oh, we're doing it, people. We're doing it. Oh, no, too much. Oh, man. The controls are so sensitive for this thing. Whoops. And we're a spinning top. We are a spinning top. All right. Oh, no. Yes. Oh, we're outside. We did it. We're outside of the hangar. We made it outside of the hangar. Now we can actually have an open airspace to mess up in. Here we go. Up, pitch forward. We're in the air, people. We're in the air. We have no tail rotor, so we have no, yaw. But, oh, is there wind? I feel wind. Whoa. I'm not doing that. The wind is taking me right now. It is really windy up here. All right, go. Up. Oh, we just did a backflip and we're going all over the place. All right, so there is a huge learning curve for this for sure. Like literally, this is my first hour with this game ever. I have not looked into the building of things at all other than what you've seen in this video pretty much. So we're crashing. It seems like there's a lot of potential for, if you really know what you're doing, which obviously I do not, you could really build some crazy stuff. I think I'm going to at least do a few episodes on this to explore it. I want to do some career mode, but I think maybe a helicopter was probably not the best choice to start off with. Here, can we get out of the water here? And we're going through the water. But I think maybe just a ground vehicle with wheels might be something to look into, or maybe just another boat. Because a boat might work a little bit easier. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what we do. Let me know, what do you want me to try for next episode? What kind of vehicle should I build? I don't really know what other options there are other than helicopters, boats, and I think maybe ground vehicles, but everything's ocean-based, so they probably wouldn't be very useful. Maybe just drive it around on the tarmac a little bit. But I'm going to end the episode here, an absolute failure. I'm sure that you're all very proud of me and what I've accomplished here. I now have I've made a buoy. I've made a buoy out here. So leave a like for the helicopter buoy. This has been ScrapMan, and I'll see you next time. Bye.